Hi, do you want to learn how to put on a wig? Hey guys, it's Penguin and I'm back. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Oh my god, my life has been so hectic. But anywho's, if you want to see how I put a wig on my head, just keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay, let's get started. So usually what I would do, just so you guys know, usually what I would do is I'd start putting in a part in the side of my hair so I can plait this main layer. And I like to do the front camera. So I'm going around the front part of my head. And usually I'd like a metal afro comb for this, but I don't know where it's disappeared to. So this is so fun. Doesn't need to be neat. Usually I would care a lot more if it was neat, but again, referring back to the afro comb, so it doesn't bother me anymore. So we're just gonna camera all this front down. My hair has grown so much. Oh, for real. I'm gonna have a video for you guys soon on my hair growth journey. I got you. So the problem with this messy bit here is now we've got to watch our part-ins to make sure we don't break any hairs, but I ain't gonna do that, so not a proud one for me. Now just part in this bit. Camera in this bit back. Now the cameras can get bigger. The reason why I do the camera at the front of my head is to act like an anchor for the wig so it shouldn't slip back. Because I'm not into gluing mine down personally. I've got a small forehead as it is without pulling my wig too far down. My hair girl. Let's just camera this side off now. And if you can't camera, get someone to do it for you. Remember, it hasn't got to be neat nor tight. I'm not going to be using my own baby hairs on the unit just because I've already like cut the hair on the wig and I don't really want my baby hairs out particularly. I try and avoid putting gel in my hair at the best of times. So with the last of this hair, I'm just going to do another 2 cameras right down the middle. I'll be back when they're done. Okay, now we're back. I've got 4 cameras in. I'm just gonna go straight in with a, this is the lightest colour you can get, the light brown. Okay, I think they should do lighter, to be fair, because my scalp's about this colour and I know people get lighter than me in life, and the dark brown one is far too dark, and no one's scalp is that colour. I just don't understand why. See that? Anchor. Nothing's gonna fall behind there. Trust me. Anchor. So if you're one of them people who don't like putting combs in your hair, because I don't like putting combs in my hair because it rips out your hair. So if you're one of them people who don't like the idea of that, just do that. It'll stop you having to pull up your wig every 2 minutes and all of this and the other. This is the wig I'm going to be using today. I need to comb this. This is a synthetic human mix. As you can see, I've cut the front off. She's been worn, she's been loved, she's been through it. And I haven't got any elastic inside that can give you a headache. I am the laziest person in the world and I don't like pain. So that's my life. So there's no thing in there. I've got the hair ties on like generic normal because I don't like my wig too tight. When it gets too tight it can move because it's like restricting your head. So yeah, just pop it on. So pop it on. Pull it over to the side part because we love the side part. Oh, look at how she cute. Pull her over my hair. You see what I mean? So just place the wig on your head wherever you fancy. And I'm just going to take my Eco Styler with olive oil. If you want, before you can take off the makeup off your face, where you're going to gel down your face, but I don't care too much because there shouldn't be that much colour. It's in this one. I'm taking my 15p toothbrush from Sainsbury's. Shout out Sainsbury's. And then I'm just going in with my CN hairspray. This is from Lidl. It's the best hairspray I've found. Keeps your hair rock hard. And it's not super flaky. Ugh. we're done. So this is the end result. I love this wig. I think it's so beautiful. I actually really like synthetic hair as well. I don't know why people tries to read it to filth. This wig was like, I think 60 or 80 pounds. It's not too bad. It's kind of pricey for synthetic. It's a synthetic mix with human, so you know, what else could you want? Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this wig tutorial or whatever, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, if you want to see I got this look, it should already be posted, so I will link it somewhere. Stay happy and stay perfectly penguin. Bye.